You know that feeling when you wake up one day and realize you've drifted far away from the person you wanted to become? It's subtle at first. Missed habits, broken promises to yourself, a version of you that's slowly slipping. This video is for the day you finally say enough, because you can reset your entire life in 30 days, and it starts far simpler than you think. The biggest mistake people make is believing change requires a dramatic transformation. Like one morning, you'll suddenly wake up disciplined, focused, and motivated. But real resets don't happen like explosions. They happen quietly, one small, intentional day at a time. And if you give yourself the next 30 days without excuses, you will not be the same person who started. So let's break down the exact framework. Not vague motivation, not Pinterest quotes. A practical reset plan built on psychology, routine, and momentum. Day 1, remove the noise. Before you add new habits, clear the mental clutter that's draining your energy. Delete the apps that keep stealing your time. Put your phone out of your room when you sleep. Unfollow people who trigger comparison. Your mind can't reset if it's constantly overloaded. Think of this as wiping the whiteboard clean. A reset starts from silence. Next, rebuild trust with yourself. People think consistency is about discipline. It isn't. It's about credibility. You don't follow your habits because deep down, you don't believe your own promises. So for the next 30 days, pick 2 small, almost laughably easy habits you can do even on your worst days. Not 10, not 5, just 2, maybe a 5-minute walk or journaling 1 sentence or reading 1 page. The goal is not the habit. The goal is rebuilding your identity as someone who does what they say. Now comes the reset rule. If the habit feels heavy, shrink it. If the day feels chaotic, simplify it. If your mind tries to negotiate, return to the smallest version, because momentum is more important than perfection. The third layer of the reset is your environment. Your environment writes your behavior. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Clean your room, organize your workspace, place your running shoes where you can see them, keep a water bottle on your desk. Design your surroundings so the right actions become easy and the wrong ones become inconvenient. This is how people actually reset, not with motivation, but with design. By week 2, you'll notice a shift. Your mind feels lighter. Your thoughts feel cleaner. Your days become intentional. This is the turning point. But this is also where most people quit, because change becomes uncomfortable before it becomes normal. So if you want the reset to stick, you need a mission for the second half of the month. Pick one thing you're tired of tolerating in your life. Just one. Maybe it's your sleep schedule, your fitness, your self-doubt, your screen addiction, or the way you procrastinate on everything that matters. For the next 15 days, everything you do should support solving that one thing. You're not fixing your whole life. You're fixing the foundation. Finally, use the last 5 days for reflection, not pressure. Sit with yourself. Look at who you were 30 days ago versus now. Notice how your self-respect improved when you kept tiny promises. Notice how much mental space returned when you controlled your environment. Notice how your confidence grew when you stopped living on autopilot. A reset is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming aware. It's about proving to yourself that change is possible, even in small doses. And once you realize you can change in 30 days, you understand that you can change in 60 and 90 in a year. That's how people reinvent their lives. Not with giant leaps, but with steady, almost invisible steps. If you're watching this and something in you feels ready, then take the next 30 days seriously. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the perfect timing. Just start, because your new life isn't waiting for inspiration. It's waiting for action. And it starts today.